Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today in this important video lecture I will discuss for a small plot which dimensions are 19 feet by 25 feet. As you can see, length is 25 feet and this is 19 feet, and this side is its front road side. This is its road side. Okay, let me show you this side. This is a road side. Okay guys, the plot size is 19 by 25 feet. Okay, and I will also discuss for its column design, especially for its section and also for its steel reinforcement details in RCC columns, which size is 9 by 9 inches. Okay, so let's start guys. This is its front. As you can see, this is chajja for its projection. First of all guys, you can see I will start from this side, 19 feet. Okay, this is one bedroom which is 10 by 11.5 feet. Okay, its width is 10 feet. Let me show you its dimensions. This is 10 feet and its length is 11.5 feet or 11 feet 6 inches. Okay, you can see this is bed symbol. This is its door which is 3 feet, right? This is a small window which is about 2 feet. You can see, right? So let me erase these dimensions. So with this bedroom guys, you can see this is a bath which is 5 by 7 feet. This is 5 by 7 feet. Its width is 5 feet and its length is 7 feet, about 7 feet, 7 feet 1 inch. Okay, so this is a bath for this plot. As you can see, this is its door, this one. Okay, now guys, this is open to sky and this is a small window. This is open to sky. This is okay. You can see this truss is for open to sky, and this is the way which is 3 feet. Okay, this open to sky, near with this open to sky, this is ventilation from this bath to this open to sky, and this is kitchen which is 5 feet by 6 feet. Length is 6 feet and its width is 5 feet. You can see this is kitchen, this is its window, right? Now guys, this is 3 feet the way between kitchen and this bedroom. Okay, this is guys the second bedroom, which size is same like this one, 10 by 11.5 feet. This is its window and its is about 5 feet. Okay, this is its door for this bedroom. The size is same, both bedroom size is same. Here are 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1 kitchen, open to sky, staircase. Okay, for ground floor. Guys, you can see this is staircase for what? This is staircase, as you can see, for first floor, and this is main entrance guys, which is 3 feet. Okay, we can fix here the main entrance door. Here guys, you can see this is the other window to the road side, because this red line can show you road side. So I didn't write anything because I say I will just discuss in my voice. So this is 3 feet main entrance for this plot. So guys, this is just 19 by 25 feet, but this is the best idea to design a small plot here in this small area. As you can see, size plot is 19 by 25 feet. So here you can design 2 bedrooms and ground floor, 1 bath, open to sky, kitchen, staircase. Okay, now guys, I will discuss also for its column details. As you can see, these are columns which is 9 by 9 inches. You can see the columns are selected here. These are columns, so the size is 9 by 9 inches. The column size for 4.5 inches, 9 by 9 inches. Also for 9 inches it is the same size. As you can see, the exterior walls thickness is 9 inches and interior walls are 4.5 inches. You can see guys, this is 9-inch wall and interior walls thickness is 4.5 inches. You can see, right? Because interior walls are just partitions, or this is curtain wall. Okay, so therefore the exterior wall should be not less than 9 inches. So let me discuss for its column details and also for its reinforcement. Guys, this is foundation for 9 by 9 inch for RCC column. As you can see at the corners, you can see, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 columns are here in this. So you will also think why there isn't in kitchen, because there isn't any space. So you can if you want to design a column here, so the column should be here also. What it should be, let me show you. It should be 9 inches. Okay, but the wall should be 4.5 inches if you want to design. Here this is column foundation for 9 by 9 inch RCC column. So guys, the footing size should be 3 by 3 feet for 9 by 9 inch. Okay, so this is 3 feet by 3 feet. This is footing size, right? And at the mid there is what, let me design for you people. Okay, so this is 4.5 inch offset from each sides. So guys, this is column at the center of this footing. You can see. Footing size is 3 by 3 feet. As you can see at the cross section, I will discuss for this. Sorry. Again mistake. 3 by 3 feet size of the footing, and thickness of the column is column size is 9 by 9 inches. As you can see, 9 by 9 inches. You can see guys, this is the footing and cross section, so which is 3 feet foundation for 9 by 9 inch for RCC column. So guys, the PCC is 3 inch thickness. You can see this is 3 inch thickness PCC, which is 1:8 ratio. This is lean concrete, and after that this is for wall foundation steel, and also you can provide a steel box with the spacing of 15 by 15 centimeters. Okay, from one steel bar to other. You can see these red color circles can show you distribution bars. At the bottom you can see this is main bar. Okay, so here is RCC with the thickness of 8 inches, and PCC is thickness of 3 inches, which is 1:8, and RCC is 1:4 ratio, and the grade is here 15 grade of concrete is used here to thickness of 8 inches. And this footing, guys, you can see these are longitudinal bars here, which is 6 numbers, totally 6 numbers of steel bars, but I didn't the dia of steel here, but you can use 12 mm dia of steel bar for longitudinal bars. especially for this plot. You can see which size is 18 by 25 feet. You can see guys, this is to the plinth level from the foundation, base of foundation to the plinth level, the depth is 3 feet. So the depth of foundation is 3 feet. So here you can see this is plinth beam FFL. Okay, finish floor level, this is plinth beam, which is about, let me show you here, which is 1 feet. Okay, 12 inches or 30 centimeters. Now guys, you can see the lateral ties dia should not be less than 7 inches. Okay, 7 to 8 inches you can keep, or I have already discussed in many videos from the ACI codes, which is 48D and 16D. Okay, from longitudinal bars you can take 16D, and for lateral ties dia you can take 48D. So guys, this is design of column and also its reinforcement details, especially for its footing size 3 by 3 feet. Size of the footing is 9 inches. So this is the plot, small plot, which is 19 by 25 feet. So guys, if you have this dimensions for your plot, so I think this is the best design for you to design your plot or for your client with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on ground floor. Okay, so with first floor you can make 4 bedrooms and its lawn, etc., because there isn't more place for its lounge, TV lounge, because this is just 19 inches from each sides. We have 9 inches thickness of the wall, so it become, so we will deduct what 1.5 feet. Okay, so therefore the clear distance is here, you can see, which is about 17.5 feet. Okay, so therefore it is a small area, but this is the best design, and you can make easily. So guys, if you need this AutoCAD file, so in this video and description you can download, in the description there is a link for this AutoCAD file. You can download and you can use it if you need this one. Also its RCC column reinforcement details, and also for its column for footing, etc. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel with press bell icon. And I will design also the other plot which dimensions should be less than this one which I have discussed the front of you.